Hello and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Nat. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how I came up with this delicious recipe, my stuffed pasta. If you're interested in the video, stay tuned. So we're going to start off by cutting up our onion. And I'm using a yellow onion. I'm going to do about half of an onion. Now we're going to cut our bell pepper. You want to do these dice sizes as well. Take that pit out. Toss that. So now I'm going to turn on my induction cooker. I'm going to add some vegetable oil. Let that warm up. So to our hot oil, we're going to add our cut of vegetables. We're going to saute these really good. Let these sweat down. So this is about how you want your onions to look, where they're sweated down, and how you know they sweated down is when the onions are like translucent. So at this stage, we're going to go ahead and add our meat, which I'm going to be using ground turkey. To this, we're going to add our seasoning, which I'm going to be using some grounded cumin. Some sea salt. Some garlic powder. And a little cayenne powder for spice. So now that our meat is cooked, We're gonna add our tomato sauce, which I'm using Prego fresh mushroom. You can use whatever one you want, but I like it with the mushroom. I'm gonna add this to our meat. Make sure you get all that sauce out. So I'm using jumbo soft shell noodles, which look like this. Into these noodles, we're just gonna add our meat and stuff them. So now we're gonna add tomato sauce on top. Like so. Then I'm gonna be using some mozzarella cheese. And we like a lot of cheese, so add as much as you want. Then we're gonna add green onions. And then I'm gonna cover it with some aluminum foil. We're gonna place this in the oven covered for about 25 to 30 minutes. And I will be back to y'all. And here go the final look. I want to thank you guys for watching, sharing, and also subscribing to the video. Until next time, you guys, peace. This is my stuffed pasta. I baked a pecan cake. Also made a side salad, and then we also had some French bread.